Type your text. Go to Object. Rasterize. You can keep the settings like this. Go to Object. Create Object Mosaic. I use a width of 60 tiles, but you can also use a different amount. Select the height. And select Use Ratio. Ungroup the text. Select the magic wand. Select the white background and delete it twice. Use the selection tool to select the entire text. Use the eyedropper to make all the squares the same color. Select the selection tool. You can delete squares that are not in the correct place. To add squares, you select a square or row of squares. Then you press Alt and drag them into the correct position to duplicate them. Add and remove squares until you're happy with how the text looks. Zoom in. And select one square. Go to Select. Start Global Edit. Select the Direct Selection tool. Make the corners of the selected square round. Press Alt and click on the center of the shape to make the star shape. Select the Selection tool. First, I make the selected star a bit smaller so they are no longer touching. And I make the shape a bit narrower to create the star shape. And that's how you create a text out of star shapes. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator text effects.